Bachelor?
No.
Baking show?
No.
High School Musical?
No.
High School Musical 2?
No, Kyle.
Well, what if we do something like High School Musical?
No. You gotta think outside the box. You do Baywatch. Okay, ready? We're gonna go. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. I changed my mind. We could do I, Kai, Meg.
Too many.
Dr. Phil.
Nah. Do Star Wars.
Yeah, because we have the stuff to do that. Get out of here.
What about a music video?
We could do genres. Let's figure out which one we want to do.
We could do a scary movie.
Action? Romance?
No. How about Oprah? So why do you feel the need to dress up like a man?
I can't do this. We have to do something else. This is way too stressful.
I have an idea.